Hi class, let's take a look at example 9. In example 9, they want years to weeks. So technically we're looking at 30 years. And then we're going to be using the fact that in 1 year there is a total of 52 weeks. So it'll be this one. Sort of a common conversion, but it's hard to keep track of all the weeks. So we're looking at 1 year is equivalent to 52 weeks. And then as we do the cancellation, we're gonna end up with the total of 30 times the values of 52, and this will be weeks. And then multiplying that, that's gonna give us a 6, adding the 0, and I'm getting 1560 weeks. Let me calculate it. So it'll be 30 times 52, 1560 weeks. Okay, so let me rewrite it as 30 years is equivalent to 1560 weeks. Okay, let's move on to example 10. And they're talking about it took John a week and 1 day to fix the fence. They want us to express the total time in hours. So let me write it as total time is equal to 1 week plus 1 day. And this will be technically 1 week plus already 24 hours here. And this is so that we don't forget to add the 24 hours. Let me do the conversion of the 1 week to hours. So I'll just place it here. So we're looking at 1 week. So in 1 week, we have 7 days. And then in 1 day, we have 24 hours. So this is going to be equivalent to 7 times the values of 24 hours. So that's going to give us 168. And let me just confirm that. So 7 times 24, it's 168 hours. So going back to the original problem, we're writing it as 1 week, 168 hours, plus the values of 24 hours. This is going to be equal to, this is going to be a 2. I'm getting 192 hours. Wait, no, hold on. So 168 plus the values of 24. Actually, no, we're good. 168. Sorry, guys, I have to do a vertical form. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to do it in my head. I should have written it down. But no, we're good. The total will be 192 hours. And let me just say that the total time to fix the fence is equal to 192 hours. Okay, that's actually it for this one.